Hey YouTube, this is my new ball valve air cannon. Just made it yesterday, it works pretty well. Right now it's charged to 50 PSI. I'm just going to show you guys it shooting a cork and a Nerf bullet. Just let me load it. Loaded. So then I'm just going to shoot. And let's go see where that went. This isn't the best shot. This was about probably 100 feet. But there it is. And I just put some blue pipe cleaners on the end so I could find it. Okay, it's charged to 50 PSI again, and now I'm just going to load a Nerf dart, the Whistler. Wow. Alright, let's go see that. Honestly, I think that just went a hole to people's property right there. There it is. Nice little Whistler Nerf dart.